Now we are moving to the simulation center of the university. We are moving towards the simulation center. Let's see and get a good experience of this center.
So this is a classroom for propedeutics of internal disease. This is a third year subject. So it's also mobile, so theory and practice all here. This room also has computers, which we sometimes use as a technical room when we have accreditation going on.
Okay.
As Institute of Medicine is one of the most intensively developed institute of Petrozavodsk State University. We are now inside the Petrozavodsk State University Simulation Center, and they are trying to explain us what are the department we have inside this. Inside this particular, we have total 30 subdivisions, departments, research laboratories, museum, and the botanical garden. These all consist inside this Institute of Medicine of Petrozavodsk State University. Here, the study mediums we have for English as well as Russian for the local students. In this particular Institute of Medicines, we have Biomedical Center of collective use compromises like Genomic Center, Proteomic Center, Laboratory of Neurobiology, Biobank, Center of Biomedical Microscopy, Vivarium, Clinical and Diagnostic Laboratory, Pharmacy Research and Education Center, Translation Medicine Center, and other highly specialized laboratories. So, when we are moving department wise, they are explaining also to us that this particular simulation center is not only used for study purpose over here, but those students belongs to the Baltic region. If they want to take a medical license for the clinical trials, they used to come in this university and they are performing exams over here. You can see in every department there are two sides. One side they have a glass and the other side they have a performing room. So teacher used to sit on the other side and the student used to perform on the laboratory side. It's a audio video connected mode systems. So if any instructions required, they can give from their sides itself. This is one of the unique world-class medical simulation center was created at Institute of Medicine. It includes a hospital model, as you have already seen, dental, phantom class, and medical engineering center. Our scientific areas of expertise are fundamental medicine, molecular biomedicine, and biomedical engineering, bio nanotechnology and biomaterials, living systems technologies, bioinformatics, space biology, biodiversity, and bioinventions. We can say most of the required things related to the medical university is available inside this Petrozavodsk State University. Through this video, you have seen the different departments which they have tried to explain us, and the same thing I am explaining for you. So here those students are willing to join, they will get a very good practical exposures, and 101% if they are honest towards their education, they will become very good doctor. The way, the dedication which we have seen inside this university is extraordinary, as they follow the complete European culture. So discipline, punctuality, honesty in the work is the key factor. So guys, you can choose this university without any confusions without any second thought. Thank you.